Here's a very quick tutorial to show you how to use this Boolean operator. So the idea is that we have this, let me hide this thing that I called cutter. So we have this building here, and it's a little too simple. I want to have some windows and an extra door in there. And I'll build the windows and doors later, but right now we just want to create the openings. So I've created this little thing which I've called cutter, and I will display it now so you can see it. And we're going to use it to cut away the holes. So go to the building itself, add a Boolean operator, and then choose the cutter. And then if you hit the Z key, you can see how well it did. And, well, it looks okay. It does look like there might be some problems over here. It's hard to see. So what you do is you click on the hit C again, go to Look Div. Very quick way to render things, by the way. Hit H, and you can see there are some problems there. So while it made it partway through here, looks like there's a whole series of triangles or polygons that we don't want here. So when that happens, that means there's a problem with either the house itself or the cutter. And in this case, I know it's the cutter. So basically, we'll turn this back on, Alt H, tab into it in edit mode, select everything, go to mesh, clean up, remove doubles. Notice 2 vertices were removed, but the shape still looks about right. So that means that, yep, there was a problem there. And so now, if we click here, or I should say, click here on the house, everything should look a little better. So I'm going to hide this again, hit the Z key, hit Look Div, and everything looks great. So now we can apply the Boolean operator to the house, and all is fine. Hope you enjoyed it.